And my name is Mikhail, and we're from Austin, Texas. So over here we came to practice and work on our skill as a robotics coder. This way we can calibrate our designs to the different lighting and settings of this area.
So we're preparing for our robotics competition, which is on Saturday and on Sunday. And to prove that we have done our robotics by ourselves by doing the surprise challenge on Sunday.
My name is Vera.
Yeah, my name is Syra, and we are from Illinois.
So today we're here to make our robot run for Robo Mission Junior, and we're just practicing right now.
I'm really excited. I'm also pretty confident in what we have right now, and I think we'll be able to do it. I'm pretty excited that we actually have practice because it helps us fix our runs for the area, because different locations can have different outcomes for a robot.
Yeah, what the heck, man? Wait, what? We're here for Robo Mission Senior, but today's just practice day. There's no competition.
For me, I am deep inside excited, but I am maintaining my all of calmness because unlike my teammates here, I just wish to make sure that I don't freak out on this, since it doesn't really matter whether we win or not, it's the moments that make it worthwhile.
No, if it turns it has to turn at least right here. Okay, first let's try this. Let's try the code without this, and then let's try it with this, okay? Okay, test one. And now where's he go?
We got SKJ here, SKJ Robo Engine. They're completing their run. This robot's very fast. I think this is the fastest robot I've seen all day.
So I'm working on something called double tennis. Basically, we have two robots trying to fling pickleballs to the other side. So the least amount of balls on your side and you win. I'm kind of nervous. I'm also really excited about the competition. The competition, right? If you lose, you don't go to Singapore. And I want to go to Singapore. So I'm nervous, but I'm also excited because I've never done sports before.
My name is Jack. I'm from California. I'm at the Ontario Convention Center practicing for tomorrow's competition. I'm here for future engineers, and it's basically a self-driving car navigating obstacles and running around. I'm feeling very excited for tomorrow and to see the other team's robot once they get here tomorrow, and yeah.